Today we are talking about top 12 supercars in the world. Okay, let's go video. Number 12. Koenigsegg Jesko. This car valued at $2.8 million. The car is powered by a redesigned 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. It is capable of traveling at 1,280 HP on standard gasoline and 1,600 HP on E85 biofuels. This car has the revolutionary new 9-speed Koenigsegg Lightspeed transmission. Advanced aerodynamics produces less than 1,000 kg of power. Active rear-wheel steering. It also has a larger leg room, a main room and a carbon fiber chassis with more visibility. Number 11. Bugatti Chiron. This car valued at $2.9 million. This car has a 1,479 horsepower W16 engine. It also has a torque of 1,180 RPM. It can reach speeds of up to 260 miles per hour without a speed limit and takes 2.5 seconds to travel from 0 mph to 60 mph. Number 10. Ferrari Pininfarina. This car valued at $3 million. 4.5-liter V8 engine in this car. The top speed of this car is 349 km per hour. It takes 2 seconds to travel from 0 miles per hour to 100 miles per hour. Number 9. Bugatti Veyron. This car valued at $3.4 million. Top speed of 267.8 mph. Production was limited to 30 units. Number 8. Lykan Hypersport. The car is valued at $3.4 million. The Lykan Hypersport is powered by a 3.7-liter dual-turbocharged 6-stroke engine powered by a roof automobile with a maximum power output of 581.6 kW and 7,100 m9. Torque at 4,000 RPM and travels from 0 to 62 mhp in 2.8 seconds. Only 7 cars have been designed from this cabin. Number 7. Lamborghini Sián. The value is $3.6 million. At 808 horsepower, the car has a top speed of 217 mph, top speed of 0 to 60 mph in 2.8 seconds. There are only 63 of these cars in the world. Number 6. Lamborghini Veneno. The car is valued at $4.5 million. This car has a 6.5-liter aspirated V12 engine. The maximum speed of this car is 355 km/h. Zero to 60 seconds 2.8. Has the ability to move. Nombre 5. Koenigsegg CCR Trevita. This car is valued at $4.8 million. It takes 4.8 seconds to travel from 0 km/h to 100 km/h. The top speed of this car is 410 km/h. Nombre 4. Mercedes Maybach Exelero. The car is valued at $8 million. It is powered by a twin-turbo V12 engine. The top speed of the car is 351 km/h. It takes 44 seconds to travel from 0 to 100 km/h. Number 3. Bugatti Centodieci. The car is valued at $8 million. This car has an 8.0-liter W16 engine with 1,600 horsepower. It has a top speed of 326 mph. It takes 2.4 seconds to go from 0 to 60 mph. Only 10 vehicles are designed for this model. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Sweeptail. The car is valued at $13 million. It took Rolls-Royce 4 years to complete the car. This car has a 6.75-liter dual-turbo W12 engine. It takes about 5.6 seconds to travel from 0 miles per hour to 60 miles per hour. Number 1. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. The car is valued at $19 million. This car has an 8-liter W16 engine, as well as horsepower 1,497 lbs, 1,180 lbs. The top speed is 236 miles per hour. It takes 2.5 seconds to travel from 0 miles per hour to 60 miles per hour. Also, the world only has this car of this type. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel.